I found Penrith Solar Centre through solar quotes. I was looking through the internet, which retailer around the local area that does solar, and they recommended me through with Penrith Solar Centre. I decided to go solar because with the rising cost of electricity, I found that the bills were constantly rising quarter by quarter. We decided that we wanted to go with solar to save money and to see how much energy we can obviously save and see if we can reduce our bills. My experience with dealing with the staff at Penrith Solar Centre was second to none. From the very start, from when the salesperson came to my place and did an analysis on my roof, also walked me through all the different products that they have, the staff in the office throughout the whole process, and also had a fantastic experience when the guys turned up to install the system itself. The installers made time to actually introduce themselves to me and actually told me what needed to be done, how it's going to be done, and the experience was definitely a second to none, and I had a fantastic experience with everyone in Penrith Solar Centre. Very satisfied with the design that Penrith Solar Centre came up with for my house. They made sure that they had the right size system to ensure that it catered for our electricity needs. Being a small family with 2 children, we felt like the system that was designed for us would really suit our lifestyle and help us save on our energy bills. Out of my whole experience with Penrith Solar Centre, what really stood out was when the boys came over to install the system. They basically took the time out before starting anything to basically introduce themselves, what they did for Penrith Solar Centre and how long they've been doing for. By doing that, it made me comfortable that these guys are professional and they were able to do the job at highest quality possible.